of Miss Shillong 2025 is...
Miss Shillong 2025 goes to contestant number 19, Matrika Chaudhary. A huge round of applause for our winner this evening, ladies and gentlemen. Miss Matrika Chaudhary is your Miss Shillong 2025. There you have it, our Miss Shillong 2025, ladies and gentlemen. Matrika is going to be walking away with a prize package of 1 lakh rupees. Miss Shillong 2025 is Matrika Chaudhary.